In this video, I'm going to show you how to rename a Gamma project quickly and easily. If you're organizing your workspace, updating a presentation title, or just want a project name that makes more sense, this is a simple change that can make everything feel much cleaner and easier to manage. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to gamma.app. Once the website loads, sign in to your Gamma account. If you're already logged in, you can skip this step and head straight to your dashboard. After signing in, you should land on the Gamma dashboard, where all of your projects are listed in one place. Now look through your projects and open the one that you want to rename. This is important because the new name will apply only to the specific project you select. Once the project opens, take a look near the top of the page. You should see the current project title displayed there. To rename it, click directly on the project title. Gamma will let you edit the name right there on the page, so there's no need to go digging through complicated menus. Once the title becomes editable, highlight or select the existing name, then type in your new project name. Keep it clear, simple, and easy to recognize so you can find it later without any confusion. After you've typed the new name, press Enter on your keyboard, or simply click anywhere outside the title area. That action saves the change and confirms the new project name. In just a second, your Gamma project will update with the new title automatically. If the name doesn't change right away, give it a moment and make sure you clicked outside the title field or pressed Enter properly. In most cases, Gamma saves the update immediately, so you should see the new name reflected at the top of the project and in your dashboard list as well. And that's all there is to it. You've now renamed a Gamma project in just a few easy steps. This is a great little workflow tip if you want to keep your workspace organized, especially if you're managing multiple projects at once. If this video helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.